Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hello. Benidorm Crazy Marcus here guys. As you can see behind me we've got yet again another empty shop. It used to of course be the comic shop, anime shop sort of place here in Benidorm, and well, yeah, it is sad to see it shut, but it is just something you see commonly in Benidorm. Now today's video, it may kind of be a little bit of a rant. Now I'm not gonna get over the top angry, it's just a video came out a couple of days back sort of slagging Benidorm off, making out Benidorm just to be sort of the place for like boozy Brits partying, just like the crazy stuff. Think the phrase used where he's never been offered drugs in one night as much as he did get offered on a night out here in Benidorm, and apparently being sprayed with bodily fluids. I'll leave you to guess what that's describing, but yeah, I'm just here to show you that Benidorm isn't really all about that. We do have culture, beautiful areas, beautiful scenery, etc. So there is a lot more to Benidorm than the partying, the craziness, etc, etc. I mean, yeah, we do have that. We do have the strip, the nightclub square. You want to party, you want to have fun. There's that area. You want a quiet holiday. We have the Old Town, and that is what I'm going to show you today, guys. The beautiful Old Town. So we are just at a sort of alleyway back from Avenue de Roof, as I'm gonna take a walk down it now, and well, starting off you can see how quiet it is down here. The other thing that got me about said video is he went to a bar on front and kind of moaned about what he had there. I think he had like a burger baguette type thing. Yeah, he moaned about it. Why not? I know that bar, and I know for what they could have done him like an English breakfast or something like that. It's a bit stupid, but I mean, yeah, just like have a look round the area first before you make your assumptions about it, mate. Some work going on there. Another sort of place there. Italian restaurant, by the looks of it. I mean, I guess what I'm trying to say is there's a lot more to Benidorm than meets the eye sort of thing. And well, if you're not willing to like actually go out, explore stuff, have a look round the place, then you're not really able to sort of comment about your holiday. I mean, for King's there, nice, I mean, not for King's, the Lion Bar, nice little bar there. Great English food in that, guys, if that is what you are looking for. You have a kebab shop there as well, if you're wanting like a kebab hamburger or pizza or something. I'm trying to tighten my tripod up. Yeah, you can have like kebabs, pizza curry there. Like, you're not just sort of stuck to your sort of Spanish meals. But I mean, if you are wanting to venture out, taste traditional Spain, there are places you can do that. I mean, Tapas Alley, not far down into the Old Town. Go there, do one of the tapas. Mini bowls of paella. Traditional Spanish themed tapas. Right. It's kind of like a Italian going to Blackpool, but not really exploring it as much and just saying, well, like, it's terrible there, nothing to do other than not drinking. I mean, yeah, I'll give the lad his dues who did try to explore Old Town a bit, but not as much. Italian there, and looks like there's a wave coming up somewhere. Resurrection. Sounds interesting. Anyway, yeah, enough said. I'm gonna stop myself moaning about it now. I do apologise about not really being positive, guys. But I mean, yeah. Does do me head in a bit. Got the Vagabond as well. Haven't seen that open for a while. Open 7 PM till late. Tuesdays off, and it is only reservations. Also like a smallish place though. Bit expensive as well, but I mean, maybe it is worth it. Anyway, yeah. So again, I do apologise about moaning about stuff, but yeah. I just want to show people that Benidorm is a lot more than the stereotype. I mean, a lot of the thing you hear said is, oh, Benidorm, it's Blackpool with sun. Is it? I hate to slag Blackpool off, but last I saw, Blackpool's going a bit downhill. Bit downhill, isn't it? Sort of derelict abandoned shops on most streets, derelict abandoned B&Bs on most streets, and well, I can assure you, Benidorm is still in business. I mean, the past few days, looking at both beaches, and I've been even. Only place where you can outrightly buy knives.
Get out of bed.
Wow, a rope dart there as well. Kanukkis as well. And I've also seen katanas in shops around here as well. I mean, look, you've got machetes in there, guys. I mean, it is a bit weird for a shop to do like machetes and knives, sort of outrightly, but it's Benidorm. Anyway, I'm gonna try sort of shoot across town and into a quiet area and let myself back round to finish the video. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. yeah, I hope you like sort of seeing that there is a lot more to Benidorm. I mean, that is what I do. I show people the different sides of Benidorm. Remember, I do have my Buy Me a Coffee link down below, as well as a brand new book, Sun, Sand and Fiesta, your ultimate Benidorm handbook, with loads of tips on how to make the most of your holiday here in Benidorm. Lots of tips on where to go, how to stay safe, etc., etc. And of course, the new Benidorm catchphrase I got. It's another day in the office. It's another day in paradise. I'll see you next time, guys.